All right, today we're going to bring a universal light extender for your aquarium. Now, instructions are included. We're going to put this together. This is how you get it when it first comes in the box. Now, my aquarium does have a little lip, all right? So there's some plastic in between there. And that's okay. This is compatible with it. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, the light fixture I have, it's large. It's really large. I want to balance it because right now, currently, the one I have, if you tilt it, it'll fall down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I got this because this is going to expand the entire thing. You'll see what I'm talking about when I show you guys, all right? Let's put this together and see how it looks. Here's the entire thing finished, if you guys can see that. Now, this wire management could go either in or out. Right now, I put it out because I might lower it down. I like that they have the two screws. You could even go sideways, so you could even have it lowered down. You can lower from here, and then the center pieces, these are adjustable for any type of lights. Look at this. This is beautiful, and they kind of hang on, and you tighten them up, and that's pretty much it. This is my aquarium currently I have, and it's hanging by the edge. I'm afraid that this thing's gonna fall in the water, and this thing's not waterproof, so we're gonna make it waterproof, and I'm gonna hang it from this end. And if you guys notice, I do have that lip. A lot of people do this because they had a cover before. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that it's gonna work for everyone, but I tested out and it worked. Now it's gonna grab on the plastic. That's where you want to grab it to, not the glass, because if you tight it too much, you can crack the glass. So step one, I was able to adjust this, if you guys see, and it grabbed onto this plastic really good. I am very impressed with it. Now we can lower the light if we want as an option. They have light management cable here, right? I like this. So we're gonna set these up. I might put it on the other end tomorrow, but today we're gonna put it here so you guys can see how it looks. These are fastened, and look at this, is a large light, but you could set up any light. I am going to do cable management later, but I just want you to see it, how it looks. And I'm going to tie this up a little bit better, if you guys can see that, so you can hold on a little bit stronger. But so far it looks good. I'm going to take out those metal pieces and keep it here permanent, but now the light's going to be able to shine. I could lift it up higher, optional, or lower. I like that option. It could go really high or really low. So now, if you're gonna feed them, have extra plants that are growing and go higher than this, this is an option that you could have. Now, it does not only for plants and fishes. You could use for pretty much any kind of plants that you're gonna be doing, either aquascaping or hydro, either one. So very good, as long as you have something that's gonna hold on to it, like I am. Hope you guys enjoy this video.